Hey guys, I hope you're all well. Welcome to another video. This is a short video on steering. So if any of you are having any trouble with your steering, I'm sure this video will help you out. So after learning about the controls and how to move and stop the car, we move on to T-junctions, and that's where I find that a lot of learners struggle with the steering when turning left or right. So I'm going to show you exactly how much you should be turning. So before you do start going out onto the main roads, it'll be a good idea to practice steering in a car park, or if there's no car park nearby. You'll see in the videos where I teach the learners, I use the technique where I'll control the vehicle with the pedals on our side, and I'll get the learner driver just to steer so they can just focus on the steering, and once the steering's improved, then I'll give them control for the pedals. So yeah, for any instructors watching out there, you can use that technique because I know for a fact that it helps the learners. So yeah, let's get started with the video. First, let's go through the steering methods. The preferred and safest method is the pull-push method, and this is the one that your driving instructor is likely to teach you. But if you did cross your arms during the test, the examiner wouldn't mark it as a driving fault as long as you keep good control of the vehicle. It's important to understand the amount of turn on the steering. This would be described as a quarter turn, half a turn, 3/4, 1 turn, and when the steering wheel is fully turned, it's described as fully locked. As we can see, a full lock is just under 1.5 turns. When turning left, most turns can be done with around 3/4 of turn. Obviously this may vary depending on the sharpness of the curve of the road. When emerging left, here I'm using half a turn as I approach, and then adding another quarter turn to follow the curve as I emerge out. And when turning left from the main road into the side road, again I start off with half a turn and then add another quarter. When turning right, you'll require around 1 turn. As I emerge out onto the main road, I'm applying 1 turn, which enables me to get the correct position. And when turning right into a side road, again 1 turn works well. The timing of when you apply the turn is an important factor. We do have reference points for this, but these points will vary depending on the vehicle and driver. For more tips and tutorials on every single topic required to pass the driving test, you can download the Ultimate Driving course. Hopefully this video has helped you out. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck to any of you that have got their driving test coming up soon. I'll see you in the next video.